Alright, opening morning of the deer hunt. Baron's got a tag. Gonna go try to find us a big buck out in Colorado. Second season rifle. Still day one. We haven't seen one deer all day. And we've been all over the place. Anyways, no other hunters have seen deer either. So. Morning number 2. Yesterday we didn't see anything. 3 does.
3 does.
That's it.
3 does.
2 at the grocery store.
Oh, we did see 2 little bucks at the grocery store at 5 o'clock in the morning. Yeah. But hopefully today's a better day. What's that? A bear. South of black. Came flying out. It's kind of cool. Bear cave. Just started snowing and the clouds are rolling in. But we're in a place where we were told there's a 300-inch buck roaming around in these hills. 300 inches, record. There's a 300-inch buck. Snow's coming fast. We've only been hiking for about 10 minutes. It's coming down. Snow came in and Maren got a shot. She got a shot at a good buck. This will be our first buck. And we know he's down in these pines right here, over here. Haven't walked up on him yet, but it's our first buck, so.
That was one of the most intense moments of my life.
Yeah, tell us.
Oh, what happened?
Well,
Oh, this day was the most intense.
it was the most intense moment of my life, I'm pretty sure. I've never done anything like that, so yeah, it was good.
Maybe you got a shiner.
Yeah, I was stupid and didn't hold the gun tight enough, and so it hit me in the face.
Luckily she had a beanie on.
Yeah, but it's,
Yeah, luckily she had a beanie on, so it didn't cut her skin. But we got him.
We're
We
gonna
had to,
walk up to it. No, we haven't seen it yet.
we had to hurry and try and track him down because it's pouring out here and we were gonna lose his tracks. But we
I
got
was
him.
worried that we didn't even get him because there wasn't that much blood.
No, there wasn't that much blood.
But he was hurt.
He was hurt.
Oh, and the snow and the fog and the zoom and where he was, and it all happened so quick. So hopefully we got it.
Yeah, we don't know if it's on camera, but we tried. All right, well, let's go see.
We're gonna follow his tracks.
Follow his tracks. Oh, yeah, there's some blood right there. Oh, yeah. There's blood right there. See that? Blood right there. He's got to be close. This is where he went into. This is where he went into. Do you see him? Oh yeah, I see antlers. There he is. Can you see him? He's a good buck.
It's a great buck.
Maren, look
He's
at
a
that.
fantastic buck. Go up, put your hands on him.
Go pick him up, Maren.
Before I do, I'm gonna go put my hands on him.
Look at him. Look at him.
They always smell that bad.
Oh yeah. Look at that. He's got eye guards.
Go pick him up. pull
Pick him up, Maren. I'm gonna get on this side. Hopefully he doesn't come back to life on you.
He's got good eye guards.
Oh yeah. Nice job, man.
Good job. Good job, Bones.
Oh, he's got great eye guards.
Yeah, it does.
Oh yeah. He's tall. He's really tall.
Now your first buck.
There you go.
It's him.
First buck.
It's the third buck we saw all weekend.
2020 year of the deer.
Yeah.
Hey, nice job.
8 points. Good job. Good job.
It's a good 4x4, decent mass.
Yep. Good eye guards. Great eye guards. Look how big it is.
Alright. Well, we're finally getting out of here. It's probably snowed about a foot. Nice job, Marin.
Good job, bud.
Good buck.
Thank you for helping me.
Of course.
Good job, bud.
Literally about a foot of snow.
Get a
Yeah,
good
of
footing
course.
because you don't want to slip and fall.
We crossed the river to track this buck. Oh man. Let's go, Marin. Use your stick. That's why I gave it to you. Oh, soaking wet.
I'm not, surprisingly.
No, that's because you got good boots. Foot of snow in like an hour and a half.